Assalamualaikum. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Today, hope everyone is doing great, healthy, and happy at home. Very good. So today is day 3. Remember to do every day even though you are at home, yeah? Okay. Today is day 3. Wednesday. If you don't remember, come from day 1. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Very good. And it's time for English. It's time for Jolly Phonics lesson again together with each baby. Awesome. So today we just continue, yeah? We just continue. We're going to learn this sound. Okay. Okay, today we're going to learn two letter sound. Okay, why we're going to learn two letter sound? Because this action is have one action. Okay, it's easy to remember. Okay, so today we're going to learn E and or. Okay, E and or. Alright, E is when A letter sound. Can you see? E is when A letter sound and A letter sound. They're standing together side by side. The sound is become E. Okay, and this one is or. Or is when O letter sound and letter sound. They're standing together side by side, just like a best friend. Okay, and then the sound is become or. Alright, so can you see E or? Why have a third action? Because we're going to make we're going to pretend to be a donkey. Okay, just our hand. Can you see our hand going to make like this one? This one is the action, yeah. Okay, just pretend your hand is a donkey ear. Okay, so the donkey sound is E or. E or. Remember when you say the E letter sound, open up your hand like this one, okay? And then when you say or letter sound, your hand is closed like this one. Alright? So let's do it together. E or. E or. Very good. Remember, yeah? Today we learn E or. Okay? E or is just like a donkey sound. Okay? When the donkey say E or. Can you see? E or. Right? So now today we're going to show you how to write E letter sound and or letter sound. It's easy peasy, okay? Because we already learned before. Remember, E is just from A letter sound, okay? And or is O and letter sound. You just write it closely and stand closely like a best friend. Okay, so now let's begin. So today we're going to learn E and or. Remember, okay? E is when A letter sound and A letter sound, they're standing together side by side like a best friend, and then the sound is become E. Okay, very good. Cannot say A, yeah? But when A letter sound and A letter sound, they're standing together side by side, the sound is become E. Very good. And then this one is or. Alright, or is when O letter sound and letter sound, they're standing together side by side, the sound is become or. Very good. See, E or. E or, just like the donkey sound. Can you see the donkey? The donkey say E or. E or. Very good. So now today we're going to show you how to write E and or. It's easy one because we already learned before, right? E is from A letter sound. Look carefully, yeah. If today we write like this one only, can you see? When it's one alone like this one, the sound is A. Very good. And today we write over here again. This one is alone again. What sound again? A. Very good. But when A letter sound and A letter sound, they're standing together side by side like a best friend. Okay, like a best friend like this one, the sound is become E. Remember, okay? E. Cannot say A, yeah? But when A and A, they're standing together side by side, the sound is become E. Very good. And when today we write like this one only, alone, what sound this one? Very good. It's O. And when today we write this one alone like this one, what sound? Is Very good. But remember, when O letter sound and letter sound, they're standing together side by side, very close like a best friend. Alright, the sound is become or. Alright, very good. Remember, E or, E or, and E is for B, okay? Just like when you say B, see, it's a B. Why B? Because B have a E sound in it, okay? Take a look. Read together with Teacher Dewi. B. Remember, when A and A standing together side by side, the sound is become E. B, E, B. Very good. And or is for corn. Fork, storm. There is so many words that have a or sound in it, okay? So Teacher Dewi going to draw this one. What this one? Is a corn, right? Why corn? Because corn also have or letter sound in it, okay? See, read together with Teacher Dewi. K, remember, O and standing together side by side become or and n. See, K, or n. Corn, right? Alright, so now Teacher Dewi want you to get your paper, yeah? We're going to write E and or letter sound together. Alright, if you already have your paper, just as usual, before we write E and or letter sound, Teacher Dewi want you to write your name, okay? Practice to write your name. If you still don't know, it's okay. Mommy can help write with the highlighter or dotted line, so you can trace and follow and copy, okay? Very good. Now let's do it together. Finish. Very good. If you finish, Teacher Dewi want you to color, yeah? To color the girl or the boy picture. But if you already color, that's good. Alright? Finish. Now let's open E and or letter sound. Alright, so now we write together, okay? Remember, follow the dot, yeah? Follow the dot, okay? Now let's do it together. Alright, finish. Now Teacher Dewi want you to write the missing letter sound, okay? Can you see in this picture? This one is a B. B. Can you see? B, E. Remember, when A and A letter sound, they're standing together, become B. Alright, remember, yeah? Cannot say A, but B, E. Alright, so now just trace the dot, yeah? See? B, E. How about this one? Can you see in this picture what this one? It's a sheep, okay? Sheep also have an E sound in it, okay? Can you see? Sh, E, P. Alright, so just trace the dot. Very good. And can you see what in this picture? It's a tree. Tree also have an E sound in it. Can you see? T, E. Tree. Alright? Very good. So now we're going to write or. Remember? Or. O and letter sound. They're standing together side by side. Very good. Follow, yeah? Just follow the dot. Finish. Now Teacher Dewi want you to write the missing letter sound again, okay? Can you see in this picture what is one? It's a rain and have a storm, right? Storm also have or sound in it. Can you see? T, or, storm, right? Very good. And then can you see what in this picture? It's a fork. Fork also have or in it, okay? Can you see? Or, fork. Very good. And then the last one, what in this picture? Is a horse. Horse also have or letter sound in it. Can you see? H, or, s. Horse. Very good. So now if you finish right, Teacher Dewi want you to color. Remember, color nicely, okay? Keep the color inside the picture. Write smart, color smart. Very good. Squeezy, right? How to write, because we already learned to write letter sound and letter sound before, right, Vijay? So, and then if you finish, submit, okay? Submit on Saturday. And maybe Teacher Dewi going to give you the holiday homework for HLP time on Saturday, okay? So, I think that's it for today. Teacher Dewi will see you again Saturday for art and craft together with Teacher Visa, alright? Bye everyone. Love you all so much. Big heart.